Welcome back, everyone, and happy Wednesday. It's Mrs. Clevenger again, and it's grammar time. And today we will continue working on our capitalization, and we will focus on capitalizing proper nouns. So go grab your ELA notebook and your pencil and get ready to take some notes. Let's go ahead and get started. I wanted to make a quick video focusing on just the capitalization rules for proper nouns because I realized it's really difficult to always remember to capitalize proper nouns if you have no idea what a proper noun is. Am I right? So here's the good news. After you watch this video, you're going to be an expert on proper nouns and common nouns. So let's get started. So what is a noun? You already know a noun is a person, place, or thing. If you don't know that, write it down in your notes. And just like usual, if you need to pause or rewind at any time, you can always do so. So there's two types of nouns, common nouns and proper nouns. A common noun is names of any person, place, or thing. Some examples of common nouns are teacher, dog, cat, school. You can whisper to your partner. In this case, you could tell a parent. Just kidding. Proper noun. Write this down. This is the name of a specific person, place, or thing. Here's some examples of proper nouns. Mrs. Clevenger, name of a specific teacher, right? Crystal Elementary School, the name of a specific school. Or a name of a person like Dylan, Bob, Fred, or Mike, right? Those are proper nouns. Write that down. So let's do a little bit more practice. Common and proper nouns. Here's some examples. The word restaurant, when we don't know what restaurant we're talking about, is just a common noun, does not need to be capitalized. But if you were talking about McDonald's, for example, or Red Lobster, or Chili's, those are proper nouns, names of specific restaurants. If you're just talking about the word boy, and you're not saying the name of the boy, then it's just a common noun. We don't capitalize it. But if you're talking about the name Samuel, the name of a specific boy, then we capitalize that name. Same thing with team. You're just talking about any old random team. We do not need to capitalize it. But if you're talking about a specific team, like the Yankees, we need to capitalize it. Okay, so that's the difference between common and proper nouns. And just like we've mentioned many times, we always capitalize the first letter of a proper noun. Here's some more practice. Let me see if I can make my text box a little bigger. Let's go for 20 big because Mrs. Clevenger's going blind. So if you're just talking about any old planet, it's a common noun because it's not specific. We don't need to capitalize it. But if you're talking about a specific planet like Earth, it needs to be capitalized. Same thing for California. That's a proper noun. It's a name of a specific state. But if you were just talking about any old state, you do not need to capitalize it. It's a common noun. Same thing with the word holiday. What holiday? We don't know. We don't need to capitalize it. But if we're talking about a specific holiday, like Christmas, oops, it'd be good if I spelled it wrong. Right? We need to capitalize it, okay? Because it's a proper noun, a name of a specific holiday. Pepsi is a proper noun. It's a name of a specific soda. It's a name brand. But if we're just talking about any old kind of soda or pop, whatever you call it, we don't capitalize it. It's a common noun. If you're just talking about, I like my teacher, but you don't say your teacher's name, it's a common noun. You just put teacher, and you don't capitalize it. But if you're talking about a specific teacher, like Mrs. Clevenger, then we need to capitalize it because it's a proper noun, name of a specific teacher. I'm assuming Spot is the name of a dog or a cat. I don't know. So obviously it's a proper noun. It's the name of a specific pet. we capitalize it. But if we're just saying dog or cat, then we don't capitalize it. It's a proper noun. Okay? Hopefully this is going to help you. Here's some more practice. Are the nouns common or proper? I liked the movie Beauty and the Beast. Now, the noun movie is a common noun, okay? But the title Beauty and the Beast is a proper noun because it's a name of a specific movie. She bought a Snickers at the store. Snickers is a name of a brand, okay, and a specific kind of candy. It needs to be capitalized. It's a proper noun. The word store, we don't know what store, so it is a common noun. We do not capitalize it. In this example, cats are my favorite animal. Cats is actually a common noun, but in this case, we're going to capitalize it because it's the start of the sentence. The word animal is a common noun. We do not capitalize it. And I think I went over how to explain the difference between common and proper nouns. So now you are ready to practice capitalizing proper nouns. So you're going to go ahead and head over to your Wednesday grammar slides, and here's what it should look like. So when you get to your Wednesday slides, you're going to see something that says sort it. It says drag the noun to the correct category. Is it a common or proper noun? So for example, the word cat. That is a common noun. Doesn't need to be capitalized. The word Australia is the name of a specific country. It's a proper noun. So you will just sort these in the right category, common noun or proper noun. The next slide is a drag it. You can see I already did these ones when I was practicing. So Disneyland is a proper noun. So you will just move the proper noun box right there. The word teacher is a common noun because we don't know what teacher you're talking about. So you would move the common noun over here. Mrs. Hernandez is a proper noun. So you move the proper noun over there. So you just drag it where you want it. Okay? Here's the next one. Fix it. Read the sentences and fix the capitalization mistakes and rewrite the sentences correctly. Here's the first example. Mrs. Nunez enjoys camping at Yosemite National Park. You're going to rewrite this sentence right here, fixing the capitalization mistakes. Of course, we need to capitalize Mrs. Nunez. It's the start of the sentence and is also a proper noun, a name of a specific awesome teacher. We also need to capitalize Yosemite National Park because it's a name of a specific place. So you would rewrite that, fixing those capitalization mistakes. Example number 2, Mrs. Clevenger and Mrs. Boatwright love Harry Potter and coffee. We need to capitalize Mrs. Clevenger and Mrs. Boatwright because they're proper nouns. And we also need to capitalize Harry Potter. It's the name of a title of a book and movie. And we do not need to capitalize the word coffee because it's a common noun. So you would rewrite this same sentence, fixing those mistakes. Okay, so tomorrow is Thursday, and you will continue working on your grammar slides, practicing your editing skills. By Friday, you should be ready to rock the grammar assessment number 2. Don't forget, you can also use your notes. See you next time. Bye, everybody.